All right, so I am on the Whitney Media Productions website, and what we're going to do is a couple of different demonstrations of how we can take some pretty good content that already exists on the website, but run it through Jarvis, our artificial intelligence software. And so take a look here as we go right over to the website. And the first thing I've done is I've taken part of the homepage where it says your business is searching for a video production company and you have a lot of questions. And I'm going to take that copy and run it through a part of Jarvis where it's going to create different marketing angles. And let's see what it develops in just a few seconds. It's going to come up with 10 different marketing angles for Scott Whitney's Whitney Media Productions Company. And this is taken straight from the website. So here are a couple of marketing angles that it came up with immediately. Help your business find the right video production company for you. Hire us as a one-stop shop for all your marketing needs. We'll solve any of your problems with our team of creative people. And that's just the first of 10 different variations on how Whitney Media can help your business. So that's just one example. By the way, there are 50 different templates that Jarvis can do for you. So here's another one. We're going to take the Whitney Media Productions same paragraph right off the website, and we're going to create product descriptions that can be used by Whitney Media. And once again, it's going to develop. In this case, I'm just asking it to give me 3 different variations. So here we go. Here's the first set of them. Whitney Media is an award-winning production company in Central Florida that specializes in videos for companies. We'll help you with any project that you need video for, giving viewers a virtual tour of your new apartment complex to providing marketing materials for the latest R&D trend. We can do it all. There's no task too small or big for us. So those are a couple of examples. And let's say that's not enough. You want to try a few more. What you can do, and once again, it'll do this within seconds, is it'll take existing content and it'll rewrite it for you. So here you are. Here are 10 more variations on a product description. Let's say instead we want persuasive bullet points. So we'll do, once again, I'm just taking the same content and running it through different ways that artificial intelligence can rewrite it. And here we have 10 different outputs. We have an understanding of the needs of your business. We make videos that convert. How about this one? Professional video production company focused on providing excellent customer service. And all you need to do, let's take this one here, strengthen your brand with marketing-ready videos. You just copy it to a clipboard, and then you can paste it in wherever you want it to go. Let's do one more just for fun. Photo post captions. If you're on the Whitney Media site, what I did was I took this, and I took just a few words from this thing that says in the spotlight, and I copied and pasted it into the photo post captions tool within Jarvis, and I used a tone of voice of engaging. And now, once again, let's see what happens if we take that short bit of text and create AI content. We have 10 different versions that have come out. So maybe hashtag unshackled, hashtag total fitness, hashtag cardio, or I'm getting in shape for hashtag summer and I want to know what your favorite summer workout is. Post a comment below. So these are some pretty creative ways that we can take some of the content that's on the Whitney Media website and use Jarvis to really amp it up. So we can do this not only for you and your business, or maybe for your clients and prospects. And I'm here to help you. So what I'd like you to do is mash the subscribe button below if you're watching this on YouTube, and also check out the free trial. Use the URL that you see right here on the video. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have.